In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI for writing in 2026. Grok AI can help you create drafts, rewrite content, brainstorm ideas, summarize text, and improve your writing for different purposes. First, open the official Grok website or supported Grok application and sign in to your account. Once you're inside Grok, open a new conversation and think about what you want to write. This could be a YouTube script, blog post, email, social media caption, product description, or any other type of content. Now write a clear prompt describing your task. Include important details such as the topic, target audience, desired length, writing style, and format. For example, you can ask Grok to create a professional article about a specific topic and organize it with headings and short paragraphs. After sending your prompt, Grok will generate a response based on your instructions. Read the result carefully and decide which parts you want to keep or improve. You can continue the conversation with follow-up instructions. Ask Grok to make the content shorter, longer, simpler, more professional, more conversational, or more engaging. You can also paste your own writing into Grok and ask it to improve grammar, rewrite sentences, fix clarity problems, or change the overall tone while keeping the original meaning. For YouTube content, you can ask Grok to create an introduction, explain a topic step by step, or turn your notes into a complete voiceover script. For social media, you can provide your topic and ask for multiple caption ideas or different versions for different platforms. When using Grok for writing, always review the final output before publishing it. Check facts, names, numbers, spelling, and anything that requires accuracy. Also avoid sharing sensitive or private information unless you understand how the service handles your data.